What's up, Poke Shufflers? Poke Trainer Jay here, and today we are back. But today I want to do a binder update on Vivid Vultures, being that's what we opened throughout the whole giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Everyone who won, I hope you guys are satisfied. I tried my best to make sure everyone got something, made it fair for everyone. Hope you guys are enjoying everything. But let's get straight into this. Again, I want to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Next goal is 200 subscribers. We'll do another giveaway at that. But here we go. So we have our Vivid Voltage binder update. Most of these are just reverse hollows that I'm missing. Forget who goes here. Oh, I think it's the Dustmore. I don't see how we haven't pulled one. I think we did. I just didn't realize before. I'll go back and check that out. We came a long way for Vivid Voltage. Pretty fast, too. I mean, we probably already 300 packs in, but yeah. Still no rainbow chubsters. On to the full arts. Full art trainers, rainbows, and secrets. There you go, guys. That is our binder update for Vivid Voltage. Now let's get straight into it. I don't know if you guys can see, I put the Southern Islands on top of the Pokey. I think it looks nice there. That's where it will stay from now on. But straight into it. I think it's 15 packs of Vivid Voltage. Let's see if we can get that Rainbow Pika now. We go, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thunder Energy, Delmise, Trumbeak, Sableye, Oshawott, Duskull, Pharaoh Seed, Riolu, Sandile, first pack Yon Mega, into a Terrakion. Not bad. As you can see, Yon Mega was a reverse hollow we need. We go, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another Thunder Energy, Excadrill, Macargo, Nessa, Wishmer, Execute, Woobat, Beldum, Blitzel, Cramorant Reverse, into a Lycanroc rare. No hit so far. Third time the charm. Go card. Fall to the front. The Steel Energy, Cramorant, Kakuna, Chesterbath, Arrokuda, Nincada, Pikapek, Poochyena, Rockruff, Magernia, into a Dreadnought rare. Oh, excuse me, guys. That was bugging me that whole time. That's why I was talking weird. Oops. Cold card. I do have my trash open now. so I don't have to clean after I'm done with my video, because those messes be crazy. Stunfisk, Coding Energy, Shuckle, Poochyena, Voltorb, Rockruff, Tailo, Yanma, Hitmontop Reverse into a Wailord Hollow there. Getting some reverse hollows that we need, but no big hits yet. Gold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy, Delmise, Rocky Helmet, Alistair, Charmander, Wooper, Meowth, Cottony, Arrokuda, Pineco, Exploud. Wow, guys, nothing yet. What are we, like 6 packs in already? This is the 7th one. Guess I need to bring my wife back because she sucked all the luck out of me. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got that Water Energy, Chichester Bath, Stunfisk, Coding Energy, Clefairy, Tynamo, Milcery, Meowth, Chimcho, Wishmer Reverse, and to a Xerneas Hollow Rare. These are bad, guys. These are bad. Gold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the Water Energy, Swillow, Wash Energy, right? Yep. Charmeleon, Voltorb, Rockruff, Wishmer, Trubbish, Tynamo, Zorora into another Fat Pikachu. So that is the first hit of the night, but still no rainbows. Still no rainbows. So this is the ultra rare side. Here we go. Cold card. I think I said cold card for a pack. I don't know what's wrong with me. Here we go. Galvantula. Go Goat. Wyndham Stadium. Chudu. Riolu. Eevee. C-Dot. Sorry, I got a text message. Swillow. And to a Crocodile. I don't know where's my other phone. I have another phone. Oh, here it goes. Pretty sure it's dead. Oh no. This is the phone you should start recording on instead of my personal phone. That's just an extra phone I have that's paid off. It literally just sits up here. We do nothing with it. 3, 4. Here we go. Fire Energy, Loudred, Zebstrika, Coding Energy, Wooper, Nincada, Wishmer, Drillbur, Wilmer, Matang Reverse, to another Crocodile. Pika Pika. I see another green cold card. I believe this is going to be our first amazing rare. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the Leaf Energy, Charmeleon, Telescopic Sight, Mightyena, Skiddo, Ferroseed, Dedenne, Drillbur, Oshawott, Dreadnought Reverse, into a Yon Mega Rare. Gold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Coding Energy, Missing Energy. That was bad. Heroes Metal, Stunfisk, Sandile, C-Dot, Pick-a-Peck, Mudray, Joltik, Jotic, Wisdom Scott. Nothing there, guys. Only 4 packs left. Here we go. Cold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the Energy, Careless, Dusclops, Electric. I was trying to think if that's one we need. Dynamo, Milcery, Meowth, Chimcho, Pick-a-Peck. Ooh, Beauty Rainbow. I can't remember if we had that one or not. I don't believe we did. Go card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the Fighting Energy, Chester Bath, Hitmontop, Swoobat, Yanma, Wooper, Dedenne, Pick-a-Peck, Chudu, Electrode Reverse into a Shed Ninja, rare. 2 packs left. Here we go, gold card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got the Dark Energy, Pinkerton, Trumbeak, Nessa, Sandile, C-Dot, Pick-a-Peck, Mudray. What is wrong with me today? Joltik, Aromatic Energy, into a Lycanroc. So guys, before we go on, I want to show you guys what I feel was my top 6, I'm sorry. And those are the ones that went into these cases. And the Snorlax, let's see if you can try to see the connection. Front looks decent, centering looks good. No scratches on the front. I can't remember what was wrong with it that I did see. I think there was one issue. But the Snorlax is 9, possibly 10. I'll say 9. Strong 9. Typhlosion was another one, I believe. Might get an 8 or a 9. Because centering is not perfect. But the surface and everything was good. It's just the centering is bad. A little whiting in this corner. So I think it'll get like an 8 or 9 also. My Pichu, I believe, can possibly get a 10. I'm not too sure. I will have to take a better look at it, but it's a possible 10 on that one. My Reshiram Charizard, another strong 9, possible 10. One of these, no, both of these, I believe are strong possibilities for 9 or higher. I believe one of them has centering issues, but no scratches on the surface or anything. Yeah, you see this is thick up here. So these are 9s, possible 10s. So that is my top 6, I believe. I'm gonna try to order more of those cases. I like them. Now can we get last pack magic? Got that cold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crocorock, Delmise, Rocky Helmet, Milcery, Wooper, Nenkata, Wishmer, Drillbur, Swoobats into a Beedrill. So not too good, not too bad. Pulled the Pikachu and the Rainbow Rare Beauty. But you know what, guys? We're gonna try 3 more packs. Last three. Let's make it half a booster box. I hate when the tape, the glue gets on it like that. Also, I don't know if you guys can see, we did bring back the Hidden Fates mat. I love this mat. Got the Charizard right here. It's my bae. So last 3 packs, guys. Let's see what we could do. Almost forgot to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy, Wyndham Stadium, Matang, Mightyena, Wilmer, Weedle, Beldum, Fanpy, Duskull. Oh, we needed that one. Reverse Hollow Beedrill into an X-Cloud. Here we go. Gold card. Fat Pikachu, can you be in here? Here we go. Stunfisk. Golden Energy. Shuckle. Blitzel. Skittle. Ferroseed. Dedenne. Drillbur. Electrike into an Orbeetle V. You go on the right side. Last pack magic, Pikachu. Here we go. Gold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the Psychic Energy, Memory Capsule, Giraffe Rig, Electrike, Skittle, Ferroseed, Dedenne, Drillbur, Oshawott, Shed Ninja Reverse, into a Donphan. So nothing too great on the last 3 packs. There you guys have it. There you guys have it. 3 pulls, 18 packs. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. The odds, we should have had 6 hits, but we only have 3. There you guys have it. I'm Poker J. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.